Hello, hello, welcome. Today we're going to do a head wrap tutorial. You can get these lovely head wraps from www.lovemeafrohair.co.uk. I've started by putting my hair in a high bun. Usually you can put a stocking or a scarf over your head before you do the head wrap, or you could do it without, like what I'm doing. It all depends on you and the type of material that you have. I'm going to be using this gorgeous 2020 batik scarf satin African print head wrap. This particular one, I'm going to aim to put it in the center of my hair, so try to get even lengths. And then just twist it round the back over the other piece, and you just keep twisting so you can see the style of the head wrap opposed to the black silk, which is under the head wrap, which is like a second layer. Then you want to twist it round the front and tuck it in the back. If you see any pieces you don't like, you can just tuck in as well, like the front bit that I just did, and there you go. This next style, I'm going to put it in the back as well and try and have even amounts on both sides and just tie it in the front. Tuck it in at the top. You have two pieces now. There's two ways you can do this. Some people twist it. I'm not going to twist it. I just pull it around the front and tuck it in, and the other way for the other one and tuck it in. So here's a little tip. The best thing to do is to put the headscarf over your ear, because it can be painful and hurt throughout the day. So just be gentle with your ears, okay? So same as before, tied it in the front. Now I'm going to twist the front one piece. One piece is shorter than the other, and then twist the other side as well. Pull it round the back and twist it to the side, and then tie it in a knot and tuck. Now I'm also going to demonstrate a different scarf, which is a cotton wrap scarf, and these are great for women who have had chemo and have gone bald, or even people with short hair or no hair. These are perfect because these don't slip off, whereas the other scarf that I was using is silk and it tends to slip off, whereas cotton, perfect. It won't slip off as easily, and you can wear this one and then put the other silk one over, so you can make two different styles and have two different colors. Now this one, I've just tied it in the front as you saw, and then I'm twisting one piece just over and tucking it in, and the other piece the same, twisting it the other way and just tucking it in. And this can act as a front bun, so you can create this before you put the other scarf on, and this can make it look like you have a bun in the front or on the top. Remember I said take care of those ears. Now I've tied my hair in a back bun, and I'm going to do it from the front and tie it at the back. Remember to tuck it in where necessary. And then I'm going to twist it so the pattern is visible and then pull it around the front and tuck it in. You'll notice it loosened. This happens to me all the time, but you just keep going. So I'm twisting the other side. You'll see it will come together. Don't give up. If it loosens, keep trying. I thought of doing it one way and then decided it's not working, so let's just tie it in the front. Just keep going and get creative. The styles you can make will be amazing. You'll even be shocked at what you can do. Then remember to tuck it in where required, the back and the front, okay? Now this is the last style I'm going to do. I'm going to tie it around the front. Then with one piece, I'm going to twist it round and pull it to the back and tuck it in at the back. And with the other piece the same, twist it round the back and twist it round the other piece. And there you go. Tell me what you think. So what are you waiting for? Go and buy your headscarf and get trying for this lovely Christmas period. Thanks for watching. This is Curls by Sharlene. Please like and subscribe to this video. Please follow me on Facebook and Instagram and tell me what kind of headscarves you prefer and how you do them. Thank you. Bye.